The Justice Department has finally released some of the highly anticipated Epstein files.
The Epstein files are over 3 million documents, videos and photographs detailing over 2 decades of crimes.
The Justice Department released nearly 30,000 more pages of documents. The new batch comes as the DOJ is being criticized for not releasing all of the documents by the deadline set by Congress and heavily redacting many of those they have put out.
The Epstein files dropped, and the entire internet became a detective overnight. Everyone had a take, a theory, a list of names they were sure about. Cool. So while everyone was doing that, we cut through the noise. TheRedactedFile.com. Connect your Gmail, nobody sees your emails. Not us, not anyone. You get one answer, cleared or not. If you pass, you can buy what might be the most honest t-shirt ever made. But here's why we actually did this. The ASEA Women's Center. Based in Brooklyn, New York, since 2018, the ASEA Women's Center has provided shelter and assisted over 1,000 women and families escaping domestic violence and abuse. Due to a recent loss in federal funding, we are launching this initiative to raise awareness and support survivors of domestic violence and abuse. 100% of the proceeds from every shirt will go directly to the ASEA Women's Center.